It's traveled around the world, and the homecoming here is on ZEE5. So on 28th Feb, guys, please be there on ZEE5. Watch it, give it a lot of love, and thank you again for being here.
That was one of the most unique things where, for the first time we are telling more people to wear masks. And they're like, but COVID is over. So that was, yes. Rest, I think the other part is, it's one of 85-90% of the script is still the film. Otherwise, most of them start getting improvised as we go closer to the shoot. This one is just what he wrote. So that's the new thing.
I did in Mumbai back in 34 years back. I was just in awe of the city, and I've literally walked the length and breadth of the city. And with every Mumbai film that I do, I explore a different part of Mumbai. So I'd never repeat the places, and there's a lot left unexplored yet. So which will, but Mumbai has everything. It's a melting pot. People come here with lots of dreams, and literally it was the city of dreams. And every culture, every food, everything you will find in Mumbai. But in Mumbai also is as since from 93 to now, I've seen the city change. And I've seen it literally change, and the film growing vertically. And that becomes a very isolating experience also, especially in the lockdown. It was very isolating for a lot of people. And in a city which is growing vertically, it's even more isolating. People live in flats. Thousands of people live in a building, but they're like, they don't know who their neighbor is. I'm saying it's one thing about Mumbai which is also fascinating and scary at the same time. Like growing up, we always knew everybody in town.
Absolutely.
He knows Mumbai by smell. Like he can be in any area and he can tell you this is this suburb. So he knows Mumbai that way.
Amazing. Mumbai to hum sabki jaan hai, but I know the urban isolation, and I think all of us feel it in the lives we lead in the city.
I wouldn't be a part of it, and if it wasn't for Anurag sir, obviously I wouldn't be part of it. So that is the biggest, the biggest association between all of them. And I think that this really is a place that is truly magical. The amount of opportunity, the amount of love in this city, how different it is from every other city here in India is absolutely amazing. And I always say that I would never want to live anywhere else. My husband thinks I'm crazy, but I'm not. And I don't think I would ever want to leave. So thank you, Mumbai.
Shout out for Mumbai. Kala Ghoda bhi bilkul, we wouldn't do it anywhere else if it wasn't for Bombay. Rahul, something for you, उनको आप क्या महसूस करवाना चाहते हैं?
देखो, ये तो हर एक्टर बोलता है कि मेरी फिल्म जो है ये डिफरेंट है. ये बहुत किसी भी एक्टर को बोलेंगे आप तो वो बोलेंगे अरे माइंड ब्लोइंग है, अच्छी है, देखो. मुझे लगता है ये इस सवाल का जवाब ऑडियंस पे छोड़ देना चाहिए. उनको वो जाके देखें. और इतनी बात मैं यहाँ ज़रूर बोलूँगा कि यही जगह थी जहाँ हमने ये फिल्म शूट की है, ऑलमोस्ट इसी साउथ मुंबई में हर जगह पे. और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि यहीं के लोगों के सामने हम ये आज ट्रेलर लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि इनको अच्छी लगेगी.
A round of applause on that note. इसी शहर और इन्हीं बिल्डिंग्स के बीच में शूट की हुई है कैनेडी. So don't miss it, guys. When take a photo op, we'll take a picture with you, so don't move anywhere. We'll turn around and take a picture with you. We'll take a picture for the...
Please do that before you leave the grounds today. You get a big thumbs up from all of us. So make sure it's there.
Lovely, lovely. I think we'll just come forward for a picture. We'll come.
अब आके देखो कैसे घाटू बम्बई की कहानी मेरा. अब आके देखो कैसे घाटू काली रातें.
Once again, please be with us.
मेरा नाम उदय शेट्टी है.